Nice to meet you, Mr. Wilson Lituma. My name is Alison Villa. I am 17 years old. I study in the National Chordele High School and I take the third year of high school for Parallel E. In the next video, I am going to talk about the launch of the satellites. Satellite launch. A satellite is an object that orbits around a planet. An example is the Moon, which is a natural satellite that orbits around the Earth. The word satellite refers to a machine that is launched into space and moves around the Earth or another body in space. On October 4, the 1957 humanity was successful in space for the first time in its history with a self-made satellite. This satellite is called Sputnik 1 and was launched by Russia in the Soviet Union. On its first trip, it took 98 minutes to orbit the Earth. Satellites are sent into space by a ground-launched rocket capable of speeds greater than 40,000 kilometers per hour to leave our atmosphere. Once the rocket reaches its location, it drops the satellite back into its orbit. The initial velocity of the satellite maintained while separating from the launch vehicle is enough to keep a satellite in orbit for hundreds of years. The parts of the satellite are solar panel, antennas, cloud and aerosol meter, greenhouse gas meter, and motoring camera. The types of satellites according to the orbit are LEO, MEO, EO, and GEO. LEO, low orbit. They orbit at 1,000 kilometers around the Earth and make one revolution in 2 hours. They are used to obtain information about the movement of the Earth's plate or for satellite telephony. MEO, mean orbit. Orbit at 10,000 kilometers. They are used in telephone and television communications and are also used for sendings in space experiments. EO follows an elliptical orbit. They are used for mapping and espionage due to their ability to detect a larger or smaller surface angle. Geostationary satellites, GEO, take the same time to go around the Earth as to go around itself. They are used for television, broadcast, telephony, long distance, data transmissions, and the detection and dissemination for meteorological data.